Are you tired of your daily routine of working day and night, just for money? What if I tell you that one simple rule could make you a millionaire without working too hard? Most people ignore this simple rule, and they miss out on thousands of dollars. This chart shows how just $100 a month can turn into $1 million with just time and patience. In this video, I'm about to show you the math behind it, and it's easier than you think. Let's say you won a lottery today, where you have two options to get the reward. Option 1 is to take $1 million of money today itself, whereas other option is to just take $2 on first day, 4 on second, 8 on next, and so on. You keep getting double the amount from previous day till the end of month. Which option will you choose in this case? Well, you might wonder what a silly question that is. How much it can grow starting from $2 a day? Without thinking much, most of the people will go for option 1, since option 1 is giving you $1 million straight away. That's a lot of money. You can do various things with that sort of money. You may take a car, you may go on a nice vacation, or you may invest that money. But if you take a little pause and let me analyze other option in Excel. You may get just $2 on first day, but if you keep doubling it on next day, do you know what amount will you get on last day of the month? It's $1 billion. Yes, you heard it right. It's $1 billion. Isn't it mind-boggling? In fact, if you total the money you got on each day, you will get in total $2.14 billion. This magic of converting just $2 all the way up to $1 billion isn't actually a magic. It's called compounding. This is a reason why one of the most intelligent person on earth, Albert Einstein, called compounding as an eighth wonder of the world. How exactly compounding works? Let's understand it with a simple example. Imagine that we invest $1,000 at an annual interest rate of 10%. Let's see how this investment grows over 5 years. Note here that during first year of our investment we got interest only on our invested money of $1,000, but from second year onwards, we actually started generating interest not only on principal amount, but also on interest from previous year. This results on an incremented interest we earn every subsequent year. This is how compounding works. It's almost like a snowball effect, where it keeps growing bigger and bigger starting from a tiny ball at a start. There are certainly two ways to grow in life. 1. What a normal people follow. That is to keep working hard in your life, trying to focus on increasing your knowledge and income. There is nothing wrong with it, but graph of that kind of a growth looks something like this. This is called linear growth, which in turn when adjusted for inflation takes a person to almost nowhere. That's why you may have seen people who were in middle income group stays on middle income group even after 20 to 30 years. Other path is what smart people follow. That is they put their money to work. Graph of that growth looks something like this. This is called compounded growth. Warren Buffett, world's most successful investor, followed this path of compounded growth to reach where he is today. In fact, his 99% of the wealth today is a result of compounding. Unfortunately, there was absolutely no lesson that has been taught to us in school in terms of this path, whereas a lot of emphasis was given to work hard in order to grow. But it's never too late. Ultimately, it's an art to make money with money. Let's now look into two important factors that compounding needs to take its effect. They are time and rate of returns. On one hand, we need to give enough time to compounding. On the other, we also need to keep in mind about what rate of returns we are dealing with during that period. Let's understand it with a realistic example. Let's say 3 friends, Alice, Bob, and Charlie, just graduated from college and started their first job. Hey guys, I've been reading about the power of compounding. I'm going to start investing $500 a month on index fund with an average return of 14%. What? Are you mad? This is a time to enjoy life. I'm with you on investing, Alice, but I'm playing it safe. I'll invest my $500 in fixed deposits with the bank. They're secure and give close to 6% annually. 1 year passes. Wow, look at this. My investment has grown close to $6,500 already. Not bad, Alice. My bank deposit has grown to $6,300. Have you guys noticed my new phone and watch? I am feeling like a king. 5 years passes. Guys, My portfolio is now worth $43,000. Mine's at around $35,000, slow and steady. Oh, but you were just saving $500, right? Yes, but it's the power of compounding that starts to kick in. Oh my God. You know what, Alice? I think you were right. What if I start to invest $500 a month now? That's great, Bob. It's never too late to start. Welcome to the club, Bob. Now, as Bob also joins the party, here is what their portfolio look after 20 years. Where Alice end up with a capital of whooping $658,000. Bob, on the other hand, end up with $306,000, almost half of what Alice, just because he started late, and Charlie just remained on $233,000, since he was on 6% bank deposit. C. Starting early really paid off. The power of compounding is incredible. I wish I had started sooner, but I'm glad I eventually did it. It's better late than never. I played it too safe. I still saw some growth, but I should have done some diversification at least. Lesson here is to start early with some decent rate of returns, and if you can keep doing it for a long period of time, that will certainly lead to lot of wealth. Hope you would have enjoyed a video. Please hit a like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.